to Skincare with Amira. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Hi everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video. My name is Amira and I am so excited to share my skincare journey with you. If you are passionate about taking care of your skin or just looking for simple, effective advice to help you feel more confident, you're in the right place. I spent years learning what works for my skin. Trust me, it's been a journey with plenty of trial and error. Skincare is not just about looking good. It's about feeling good in your skin and practicing a little self-love every day. Today, I'll be sharing 3 easy skincare tips, a little bit about my personal story, and a special resource I've created just for you. So stay tuned to the end. Before we get started, let me know in the comments what's your biggest skincare concern. Is it acne? Is it dry skin? Is it hyperpigmentation? Or is it simply something else? I love to hear what you're working on so I can create a video to help. Why skincare matters, you ask? Because it does. Skincare is about more than just products. For me, it's a way to unwind and take care of myself at the end of a busy day. When my skin feels good, it boosts my confidence. No lie, y'all. It really boosts my confidence. And it sets the tone for everything else I do. If you're just starting out, don't stress. You don't need a cabinet full of products to have great skin. A simple skincare routine can do wonders. Just focus on the 3 basic steps: cleansing, moisturizing, and a protectant with sunscreen. That's it. That's all you need.
Ayo, you.
What's your current skincare routine like? Are you a minimalist with just a couple of steps, or do you like trying lots of products? Share with me in the comments. I'm curious. My first tip is to keep your skincare routine simple, especially if you're new. A gentle cleanser, a hydrating moisturizer, and a sunscreen during the day are all you need to get started. Fancy serums and masks, they come later, but mastering the basics is key. Understanding your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, sensitive, or a combination. It can make a big difference in choosing the right products. For example, I used to think I had dry skin, but it turned out I was just dehydrating my skin with harsh cleansers. Once I switched to a gentle hydrating routine, I saw a huge improvement. Consistency is everything. You won't see results overnight, but sticking with your routine can transform your skin over time. Even if it's just a quick cleanse, a moisturizer just before bed, every step counts. While skincare products are important, don't forget about hydration. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps your skin stay plumped, clear, and healthy from the inside out. I always keep a bottle of water near me to remind myself to sip regularly. It makes a difference. How much water do you drink daily? Be honest. Let me know in the comments if you notice a difference in your skin when you stay hydrated versus when you don't. Let me share a little bit about my skincare journey. I struggled with acne for years and it really affected my confidence. I tried so many products that didn't work. At one point, I was overwhelmed with all the conflicting advice out there. Your girl was stressing. It wasn't until I decided to focus on gentle, natural products and stick with a consistent routine that I started seeing real progress. That experience taught me that your skin is unique and it's okay to take your time finding what works best for you. I want to share something with you all that I'm really proud of. I recently created an ebook called Nourish, a holistic guide to self-care for skin, body, and soul. It's packed with affirmations, self-care routines, and practical tips to help you glow from the inside out. If you're looking to elevate your skincare and self-care game, I think you'll love it. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching my first video. It means the world to me. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. And don't forget to drop a comment and let me know what skincare topics you'd like for me to cover next. Until next time, remember to treat yourself and your skin with love. Okay, bye.